Monday's music ewe kwana. Kia ina gwavu maka Akwa Okuko yesterday.
Ya ka ichetere again today.
Ya be am no shake it out.
Bro, nnọrọ ụta anụ ihe gbasara Akwa Okuko na-echu m ụra. O nwere eme nju like that young boy. Nwekwana ihe eme nju ekwuru okwu against him. You get the point? As a few friend Akwa Okuko, eziokwu ka m na-ekwu. If you like twist it, I do not even say it. You're never gonna answer you. If Akwa Okuko, ihe mere ọka ji na ọda today. I brought no contact because some of you guys know that's not Akwa Okuko and contact, no contact, no solid contact, no mamma, no caliptago, no. Akwa Okuko with contact. But number one, no even a government jiggy. Government number one. Number two, Ajana, these in a major. They're against you. Ajana, the Mother Earth, the universe, they're against Akwa Okuko. Because of what? Ogwa. If Ogwa on Agwa, that's your most important thing. That's like tangible thing. Edge there. But yeah, Oboni enough spiritual. Because you are the young now. Akwa Okuko, Ogwa Hona, Obarola, be a marriage we are making. Ajana, they're against him. Check on Yameru, Oya no one, a medium euro. How many days gone away? It's no contact be here. No. Akalu be a dodger. A broke what I mean by no measure be mad, only based on tradition. If you go against the rule, Ajana could engage the Gantifu. Anything not being a man of this life, Ajana, they're against you. On this, 50-50, do this 50-50. So, Kienja Guagia, for those of you who know, I can hold contact, go to on detention or grow contact, brother man, Ajana. And as of you, Dibiano out there, Nemaji, Nakuzuro Maka Kesa Guajog, deep down inside your soul, Emmanuel, why you? Ajana will come against you. Ajana will come against your life. We come against your family. Because so no be any maybe our tradition and culture. Makuyendu izumezu, ndu zuzube, mbenu ba na osa. Our ancestors make it before he does well tradition. Agwaziege na afia kebi, afio yebi, afia afobi, afia nkobi ya. Makuya reason before a reason for that thing. Gwaziege na Okuko na ji no ka eji atu aja. Ni kwesiri iji oji, werunzu. Makuya make it chapter the thing. As of you out there, each of us because I go. Mother Jabegini, a chair, only muddy beginning, poison, and your muddy begin. Are you high? It's some Najana manjig. Ajana gave Meruga Rumbose, Kimbosu, Yimbosa, Fombosan, Konoboni change your evil ways. Macanozorezo. Our ancestors, Obiadraham, that's why no luta cannot even sleep. Voices now too much. Our ancestors, Obiadraham, Munchas may be our tradition and culture, Menana, Unchi Mebia, but Tomoma. Which are walking souls and son of the soil out there. It's no man now. O man now. Oboni believe no man now. Comment I say, Makanozore is our ancestors are still working. Trust the process. Yaga say, you're my game.
You know, when I get taking a one, I'm not like that video. No. Yes, can put with some, some oku to it. Oboni watch this our channel. We started this channel because of some of the evils, because of some of the hojo and the bayineme with menana, with Idibia, and with every other thing that has to do with Igbo tradition and culture. I'm this channel. I video this channel Akwa Okuko. I'm trying to give you people a history. I say video. I video this channel Akwa Okuko ha. My willing here Ebinaso. There was a massive conversion of our youth into something they did not know about. So we needed to come out them to re-educate people, because now they have, as of then, now working 2-3 years ago, we have massive exodus of the youth from the church to the street. Then now we have massive conversion of Ndidibia to social media then. Now the youth, we are left in a junction. Then the youth, they frustrated. Ego, nka, ayemenka, and habiduza we for a lifestyle. There's so much desire in the place of a commoner. Akwa Okuko potalomba, Akwa Okuko na maru e omarobi. Omaro left and right here, and he was making that money, and he was making the numbers. So the youth decided to join that movement. Kana join, so many other upbringing Dibias were potawa from Okijao, from Asabao, from Ekulobiao, from everywhere. So it was a massive turnout of Dibia to the society. Then our youth were making we nani. Then I need him to send them mad. Ini na nakolo ge ba akụkọ but na indicate ya ntị ndị niile iswa na asị go and click about a video of this channel then ignite oldest video scroll down ka efewa ma mgbe JPAC bido wee libe aka azụ ya na Akwa Okuko ma mgbe ahụ so those things so to the extent that video connect ya edina n'ogo JPAC and Akwa Jesus and onye late Ada Jesus Omolahun. I did that video that time to connect the dots. To the extent that a native doctor put on a social media named Ezubi, we told them matters no go private jet. But we for Zaka YouTube Bodosu na Mabu. Anagwonka. What we are seeing today, in today, by Itomado, by Hidapu Mwanya, via Mabula Topo. All these things be hamota and all these things begin ajo go have bata from umbozo to buy. We were making that noise and we were hammering on them. I'm not for hear this young man that in Akwa Okuko no there does not mean no more contact. Akwa Okuko no there is because of karma. And then when abia where Akwa Okuko we making where would because of his influence where Pia one boy Italy. And they used it and making a propaganda. It's just so sad that everybody know Akwa Okuko so just want to collect money. Then a video ever trended that time which I posted to him. A young man Gochala Akwa Okuko Niego. When only Akwa Okuko because any giga imagwafuna be udega before where Baliando would hand over how we're making it where to he came out later then and apologized. He said, Nasi, go and check the video. Akwa Okuko deceived me. What on our channel? Go and check it. A lot of people now Akwa Okuko so another Akwa Mba Akwa Okuko when there are too many bloggers. Everybody name Akwa Okuko we notice Kanuma. Everything in a Hamelomba. I still stand my ground, me and few other people. So now what are we witnessing? Another video if I trend there then post to queer. The guy is like for you to last, rap one State because you corrupt to go the land and at the land will fight you. Happen one State guy obodozo so that you will be able to enjoy what you have made so far. My why you tell them all these things I lie no work it and need. You see, with my natural knowledge work it, okay then on name more here. And okay, the Neko make a mother. How then did we get here? The mother and I say, don't know where you are. Now, today, what is happening? This our brother raised the 3 important points. Also, na Akwa contact, mana government here and Rajana G because of your home. So now, because they are bako, imagine the Neko is yoku. Ekuchakwa mko hamnon, coding.